Welcome back. Today, we explore the wonderful world of gardening and pest control. If you love spending time in your garden but can't stand the annoying buzz of mosquitoes or the sight of pests munching on your precious plants, then you're in for a treat. In this video, I'll introduce you to beautiful plants that not only add beauty to your garden, but also act as natural repellents to keep those pesky insects at bay. From colorful blooms to aromatic leaves, these plants are a must-have for any gardener looking for an effective and eco-friendly way to keep pests away. Let's dive into the world of gorgeous and pest-free plants. Petunias are popular flowers that can be found almost everywhere in the summer. Not only do they look amazing cascading down from a hanging basket or a window box, but they also offer several benefits, including the ability to repel insects. Petunias contain a compound called pyrethrin, which is a natural insecticide that repels a variety of insects, including aphids, beetles, and whiteflies. This compound is commonly used in commercial insect repellents, making petunias an excellent natural alternative. Petunias also attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, which can help with pollination and contribute to a healthy garden ecosystem. Consider planting them near your veggie garden for all of these benefits. If you've seen my other videos, then you know I love lavender. Lavender is a popular choice for gardens and indoor spaces thanks to its fragrant aroma and beautiful purple flowers. It's also a natural insect repellent that can keep mosquitoes, flies, and moths away. Lavender contains a compound called linalool, which is toxic to many insects, making it an excellent plant for repelling pests. Marigolds are beautiful flowers that come in hot colors and are also natural insect repellents, especially to mosquitoes and aphids. Marigolds contain a compound called pyrethrum, which is toxic to many insects, making them an excellent choice for keeping pests away. They not only look fantastic planted by your tomatoes, but they'll actually protect your fruit, as well as draw in pollinators so that you'll have the biggest, best tomatoes ever. Chrysanthemums are beautiful flowers that are also natural insect repellents, and they can keep pests like mosquitoes, ticks, and even roaches away. Chrysanthemums also contain pyrethrum, making them effective at repelling insects. If you buy mums in the fall, don't toss them at the end of the season, even if you have them in pots. They're perennials in most places, so you can plant them and they'll come back year after year and keep those pests away. Lemongrass is a tropical plant that's commonly used in cooking and also has a natural insect repellent property. It can repel mosquitoes, ticks, and other biting insects, making it an excellent choice for outdoor spaces. Lemongrass is easily propagated from cuttings, and it can be grown in containers or in the ground. Another of my favorite annuals are geraniums, which are popular flowers because they come in amazing colors. They also repel insects like mosquitoes and flies. Geraniums contain a compound called geraniol, which is toxic to many insects, making them effective at repelling them. Geraniums are an annual in most places, but they can easily be overwintered and replanted the following year. If you want to learn more about how to overwinter geraniums, don't forget to subscribe. Catmint repels aphids, cabbage looper, Colorado potato beetle, cucumber beetle, flea beetle, Japanese beetle, and squash bugs. This plant is tough, beautiful, perennial, and can survive most growing conditions. Catnip is in the same family as catmint, but it's an herb that's commonly used for cats. But it's also a natural insect repellent, which can repel mosquitoes, flies, and other flying insects, making it an excellent choice for outdoor spaces, especially if you have pets. Did you know that Citronella is a plant? That's right. All those tiki torches and summer candles come from this grass-like plant that can repel pests. It also adds an interesting texture to your garden. Citronella grass is related to lemongrass and is also a tropical plant that's commonly used in sprays and other insect repellents. It has a strong lemony scent and can repel mosquitoes, gnats, and other flying and annoying insects. You can also propagate it easily from cuttings to create more plants. Mint is a versatile plant that can be used in cooking, tea, and also as a natural insect repellent. It can repel mosquitoes, ants, and flies, making it an excellent choice for your outdoor spaces. It's popular for planting around chicken coops to repel mice and even their big cousin rats. Plus, who doesn't like a cool, refreshing mojito after a day of gardening in the hot sun? Put your mint to good use by making some cocktails for your friends and neighbors. Basil is another versatile plant that's commonly used in cooking, but it also has natural insect repelling properties. It can repel mosquitoes, flies, and even houseflies. Basil can be sensitive to cold temperatures, so it's best to keep it indoors during the winter months, but think about all the amazing recipes you can use it in. Like basil, rosemary is another popular herb that's commonly used in cooking and can repel pests like mosquitoes and flies. It's a hardy plant that requires minimal care. It's a perennial in most areas. It prefers full sun, well-draining soil, and can also be easily propagated. Plants that repel insects are an excellent addition to the garden or any outdoor space, and even your indoor spaces, offering many benefits beyond their beauty. They can help keep pests away without the use of harmful chemicals, making them a natural and safe alternative. Thank you so much for watching today. This is a new channel, and it would really help me grow if you would like, comment, and subscribe.